Hey guys, my name is Bonnie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you this look on my face that I created. It's nice and glowy and I'm loving the colors. Perfect for spring and summer that is coming up because I am so over this winter cold weather. I can't. I need that warmth. On my eyes, I'm using the new Jaclyn Hill palette, which I love. Got it in the States when I went. Ulta, thank you. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. I'm apologizing for all the awkwardness. It's really awkward talking to a camera, but hopefully I will get used to that. If not, well, sorry, you're out of luck. Alright, so first I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover primer all over my face, and then I'm going to be using the No Problem primer around my problem areas. Usually I do prime my face after I do my eyes, but I don't know what I was thinking. A little nervous. First YouTube video, you know how it is. Now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows, but that is a personal thing, so you do you. What I'm using is the Anastasia Brow Definer in Taupe. Next I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Naked Skin Concealer, and then I'm going to use the RCMA No Color Powder just to set that. Alright, so now for the fun part. As I said, I was using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and the first shade I'm using is Silk Cream, and I'm just going to use this as the transition shade. So I'm going to make sure it's all buffed in nicely into my crease, making sure there's no harsh lines. The next color I'm going to take is Butter, and I'm focusing this on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to blend it outwards. The brush I'm using is Morphe MB23. And then I'm going to go with the last brush I used and just make sure it's nicely blended out. Next I'm using this Pukey color, and I'm going to focus this on my outer corner as well, but I'm not going to blend it out as much. And I'm just going to keep building that up, and I'm using patty motions just so I could get that good color payoff. And as I was rewatching this video, I realized that my left eye, I think, is lighter than my right, or not as dark, so obviously I was lazy and didn't do it properly. So just don't do what I do and be lazy. Make sure that both are even. And I'm just blending everything out again with the last brush, making sure there's no lines. So here I'm actually pointing to the wrong shade. It's supposed to be the one beside it, which is Buns. And I'm gonna focus this again on the outer corner, not gonna bring it out as much. I'm just doing this to deepen it up a bit. I love this color, it's so pretty. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Just keep dabbing. Keep going at it, you're almost there. Alright, now I'm going to be applying Too Faced Glitter Glue onto my lid just to make that lid shade pop more. And then I'm going to use my favorite color, Enlight, and put it all over the lid. And it just gives that bam! Wow, it's spring. Look at me. And again, I'm just going to blend it out with no color on the brush. And for foundation, I'm using the Nars Sheer Glow. My color is Deauville. This foundation is super pretty. It's lightweight, it's glowy. I love wearing it for spring. I'm not one of those people that like the heavy duty foundation, so I really enjoy this one. And then I'm going to apply my concealer under my eyes, and I like to let the concealer sit. So while I'm waiting, I'm just going to powder my smile lines. I don't know why I like to make the fish face, but I feel like it helps. And then I'm just going to use the same shade I used for my eyelids under my eyebrows to highlight. And then I'm going to blend out my under eye area with a Real Technique sponge. And then powder that with the RCMA No Color Powder. And to finish up the eyes, I'm taking the Buns color on my lower lash line, and I'm bringing it about halfway on my eye. And then I'm going to blend that out with the Butter color with another brush and bring it all the way to my inner corner. Just casually making sure my makeup looks good so far. Okay, we good. Now I'm gonna take a NYX eyeliner, retractable, in the color, I don't know, white, and put it on my lower lash line. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes, making them ready for a whole bunch of mascara. And now I'm using the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. I'm gonna coat my lashes, try not to get them on my lid like I always do. Gonna do my lower lash line, making them nice and black. Doing some faces. Oh yeah, I'm tired. And for highlighter, I'm just using Benefit's Liquid High Beam highlighter. It gives a nice glow, and it's not sparkly or chunky, which I don't really like in my highlighters. And I'm just gonna blend it out with a sponge. And then I'm gonna put it on my inner corner as well. And for bronzer, I'm just using Bareminerals Serum Bronzer, and you have to shake it really well before you use it. So I'm just applying it on my sponge and then just blending it out. And Jamie Page actually recommended this last year, and I've been using it all summer. So I'm just pulling it out because, you know, summer's coming. Gives that nice inner bronzy feel. And then I'm just going to lightly apply Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer over top of where I put that serum bronzer. And I'm using Kevyn Aucoin Sculpting Powder just to contour my face a little bit. This is my favorite powder, although very expensive and very tiny. And then I'm going to apply the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter pretty much all over my face, anywhere you could think of. Just want to get that glow happening. Just my forehead. And then I'm going to put Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Moonlight. It just gives the nicest pink glow. Finally, for the lips, I'm putting Tartiest lip paint in the color Birthday Suit. And then I'm applying Nars lip gloss in the color Chelsea Girls over top of that. And last but not least, you can't complete a look without setting your face first. So I'm just using Urban Decay's All Nighter Setting Spray. And that completes this video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos, and I'll hope to see you soon.